Hi, I'm Jessica Cameron and I'm reading for the role of Dawn. Thank you. They are real.
That's early. I would have been wondering all night.
Good recovery. Shy boy has a sense of
And a
humor.
name that's not Shy Boy. Brazen Girl.
Oh, you have no idea. So what's happened then?
Yummy.
Yummy.
And what should I call you?
I'm Dawn.
Dawn. I like that. Never met anyone named Dawn before.
You'll never meet anyone like me.
I'm sure they broke the mold after you were born. I really have to be going.
Why don't you stay? Check out this band.
It's work.
You deliver sack lunches?
I'm fond of the peanut butter and jelly sandwiches myself. Well, it's not a little job I was roped into doing.
That's sweet. Don't want the little kids going hungry after all.
Oh.
Wait.
See you around?
I'll be around. Call
You're
me.
leaving us stopping me now.
I hope not. I'll see you around.